Hello guys, welcome back to another video tutorial. For today's video is mastering Excel functions in 3 minutes or less. Well, is it possible to master all functions in 3 minutes or less? Well, I think it's a yes and a no. But here's a few commonly used functions that you can learn quickly. Now, what you're gonna do is open up your Excel on your computer or on your laptop. Then here, I'm gonna show you commonly used functions that you can learn quickly. First is the sum function. So if you press equals, then sum, then open close parenthesis, then highlight which one you would like to have the sum. Then here, automatically, it will give you the answer. So this function adds up a range of numbers. Next is average. This function calculates the average of range of numbers. So to use it, just press again equals. Now, then open and close parentheses. Then highlight the value. So the count will be 9. Next is proper. So if we have an equals, then proper. This converts a text string to proper case. The first letter in each word to be uppercase and all the other letters to lowercase. So open and close parentheses. So if you press this one, so it all will be like this. And if you want to learn more, you can press formulas. And here, there are lots of function libraries like financials, logical, text, date and time, lookup and reference, math, and more functions. So you just need to study and have a practice on which function you would like to learn. And there you can learn many functions. So that's it. That's the basic. And I hope that this video helps. If you have any questions or comments, kindly put it in the comment section below and make sure to subscribe and like to our channel. Thanks!